Well, just as expected, weather warmed up, water service are breaking. Emergency water service in Manassas Park, Virginia. Discovered a leak about a couple days ago, which was starting to seep inside of the house. There's one of two ways of addressing that. Either you repair it or you replace it. The best value is always in the replacement. That being said, we dig up two holes. One hole is on the inside where the water was actually coming up through the ground. There's Nemo right here. And then the other hole is on the outside by the water meter, right where Dennis is. But then the question becomes, how do you deal with all of this? How do you replace that pipe without having to dig up all of that? Directional bore. Yes, it's true that some excavation was required in that front yard. Some to expose the utilities, and other to get the water line to go to the depth desired and per code, which is 3 feet deep. But for the stuff under the house, this bad boy sent in a drill under the house, under the steps, under the concrete, and into that hole where we saw Nehemiah just a couple of minutes ago. Once Nemo's done working on the inside, we'll grab this brand new water line, bring it down to the water meter level, 3 feet deep, get it connected. He'll also connect it on the inside where he'll put a shutoff valve and a PRV valve, pressure test to get it ready for inspection. And once we pass that inspection, we go ahead and backfill, seed and straw the entire area, and it'll be as if we were never there. And that's how you make it happen. So give me the heads up. Now that these temps are starting to warm up to nice and cozy temperatures, these water servers are going to start popping up all over the place in Prince William County, in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County, all the above. That being said, give us a buzz. Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain, 703-895-4109. You can also email us at scheduling@freedomplumbers.com. We'll catch you on the next one.